Welcome to our tutorial on how to share posts via direct message from the suggested account list on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, click on the share icon either from a post on your home timeline or from a post detail page. Next, select Send via direct message to initiate the sharing process via private message. A pop-up menu will appear, presenting you with a list of suggested accounts. Choose the desired account from the list. Once you've selected the recipient, click Send to share the post via direct message seamlessly. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily share posts via direct message from the suggested account list on Twitter, enabling efficient communication and engagement with your contacts. Sharing posts via direct message is a convenient way to interact with specific individuals and share content privately on Twitter. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on how to share posts via direct message from the suggested account list on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your communication experience and stay connected with your network effortlessly.